In 10 minutes, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about YouTube automation. My name is Miguel and welcome to my channel. If you're an individual that wants to start earning money or making money with YouTube automation by creating faceless content on YouTube, then this particular video is for you. As an individual, the first thing you need to do is to pick a niche. It could be finance, it could be documentary, it could be AI films, it could be storytelling, it could be tech reviews. But before you make that choice, you need to explore two options that is going to greatly influence your choice. The first one is RPM. This refers to how much YouTube is willing to pay you for every 1,000 views that video gets. And the second one is demography. This means the people that you are creating these videos for. It could be people in the US, in the UK, Nigeria, people in Ghana or South Africa. Whichever one, these are the things that are interconnected that is going to help you to choose a particular niche. Let's take, for example, I have a finance channel that I create for people that live in the US. And the reason for that is because of the RPM. If I create a finance channel and it is made for people that live in the US or in the UK, I tend to get higher RPM than the others. These are the two things that you need to understand before you make that niche choice. Second thing, which is learning how to create the video properly. This entails conceptualizing, scripting, visuals, AI, and editing. If you do not know how to create videos, then trust me, you are not going anywhere with YouTube automation. This is the most important thing for you to do. After picking the niche, the next thing you need to do is to make sure you learn how to create these videos properly. You need to understand the AI tools that are available to you for you to make sure that you create that particular video very well. And you also need a professional that is going to guide you on hooks, body, and CTR. These are the things that is going to make that video go viral. The third thing is the head start strategy. Before you post your first YouTube channel or before you even create that channel, you need to have at least 4, 5 to 6 videos on that particular niche that you are creating these videos for. The reason for that is consistency. Head start strategy is going to help you stay consistent because you have to make sure that all the videos posted are on autopilot on YouTube. You post these 3 videos, 4 videos, 5 videos, 6 to 10 videos and keep them on autopilot so that they post. You have to go back, relax, and start planning again. The reason for head start strategy is because it is going to help you to monitor your statistics, your impressions, and to know where all your views and the particular video that you created that is performing better than others, so that you can tailor the next batch of your videos to that particular one. And the fourth thing you need to learn is SEO and YGS. SEO means search engine optimization. This is going to help you to use keywords to rank. When you are creating your videos, you need to make sure that the keywords relevant for people to understand or search for your video is embedded in the metadata of that particular video. Now, the next thing is the YGS, YouTube growth strategy. This is going to help you to train the algorithm of YouTube to your advantage. It is going to help you to train the algorithm to understand that this is the particular demographic you're creating this video for, and this is the place that you want the views to come from. If you learn how to pick a niche, how to create a video, the head start strategy, SEO and YGS, then the next thing on the list is monetization. You can learn how to create online courses depending on the knowledge of every single thing or on the particular niche that you are automating with YouTube on. And if you're consistent enough, you're going to monetize in less than 3 or 4 months with consistency. That is why head start strategy is more important than any of the options that I mentioned. If you learn how to create the videos but you don't have the strategy of staying consistent, then your YouTube is going to come up, go down, come up, go down. Without you get monetized. If you watch to this particular place, that means you are interested in YouTube automation. If you want to learn how to start your journey creating faceless content and making your first $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 on YouTube, then you have to go to the description below and write the email or join the Telegram group so that you can get into the mentorship program and start your YouTube automation journey today. If you love this video, then subscribe and turn on the notification, like and engage, so that YouTube shows this video to other people that might be interested in this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.